What's happening? This is Jerry here with Wealth Dynamics. Hope you're doing well today. Thank you for tuning in. If you're just watching this for the first time, my name is Jerry. I own Wealth Dynamics, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to make the millionaire decision. It's very important. I want to make sure you understand what that means. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for checking this out. So the millionaire decision, I had to look up where decision came from. This was very important to me because we hear about making decisions all the time, okay? And so a decision, when you go to the root of that word, where it came from, it actually means to cut off. Okay? So it's not a light phrase. Like if you cut something off, it means you're getting rid of other options. To make a decision, you're deciding for one thing and you're also deciding against anything else that conflicts with that one thing. Okay? So the millionaire decision goes like this. There's a couple of steps you need to go through. First things first, you need to be interested in being a millionaire. Okay, you need to be interested in it. If you are not interested in being a millionaire, it's not going to happen. Okay, so set your interest on becoming a millionaire. Second thing is you need to be disinterested with where you're at today. Okay, this is important. Your brain has this thing called cognitive dissonance. It will not do something it does not believe in, and it won't go against something it does believe in. Therefore, if you're telling yourself, I want to be wealthy, I want to be a millionaire, I want to get rich, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then you're doing things that conflict with that belief or that thought, the thought will not come true. Period. There's no way around that. Okay? So if you're saying, I want to be a millionaire, but you're still hanging out with broke people, you're saying, I want to be a millionaire, but you're still taking water cooler financial advice from your brother-in-law at Thanksgiving. If you're saying, I want to be a millionaire, but you're not spending your time on developing, instead you're binging Netflix all day long, it's not going to happen. Okay? So you have to be interested in becoming a millionaire. You have to be disinterested in where you're at today. That's where the cut off thing happens, the decision. Okay? And then the third thing is you need to then find out why. Find your purpose. Conrad, you look good, dude. I don't even know what you look like, and I know you look good today, my brother. So you need to get disinterested, and then you need to find your purpose. This is not some touchy-feely weekend seminar event about find your purpose. It's not that. Okay? Finding your purpose is a logical sequence. Money is arbitrary. Therefore, you need to know why you're collecting all of this money. If you don't know why you're doing it and what you're going to do with the money, it's just not going to happen. There's no motivation behind it. So find the reason why and find the purpose. Once you've done that, I want you to draw out your goals. What am I going to do? Where am I going to go? Who am I going to do it with? Once you've drawn those goals out, the next step on the millionaire decision is finding out what it's going to take to get there. Okay? How much income do you need? What do you need saved? What are the expenses involved? And when you add your dreams up, and I'm talking all of your life dreams, when you add your life dreams up, I guarantee it's going to cost more than $1 million. Okay, so you're faced with two decisions at this point. You realize, hey, I want to do these things, they matter. I also want to be a millionaire. You've got to either do it or quit. At that point in time, do it or quit. There's no middle ground there. So you're going to say, yes, I care about this. I'm going to make a decision. I'm going to cut off anything that interferes with this. I'm going to burn the ships, which, by the way, didn't ever actually happen, but I don't want to ruin that for you. I'm going to burn the ships. I'm going to get rid of the other options and decide to become a millionaire. Or you're going to say, that's not realistic. I can't do that. What do my friends and family think of me if I do this? That's also a decision. If you're making that decision, you're cutting off being a millionaire. Okay? You're going to cut something off. It might as well be the thing that doesn't get you where you want to go to. So guys, that's it. That's the game. Those are the steps on making the millionaire decision. I share this with you because my entire business, by the way, is actually built on Grant Cardone's Millionaire booklet. When I read that book, I tore everything down, I rebuilt it, and I said, I'm going to teach my clients these steps. If you look at everything I do, it all lines up with the Millionaire booklet. It's like watching Inception and then finding out the end of the movie, right? So if you're interested in learning more, I'm about to throw an article down in the comments, or my boy Mike Kerrigan just posted all the steps. If you want to learn more about the Millionaire booklet, there's a link in the article I just wrote. You can purchase the booklet and audio for maybe $30. Read it, study it. If you have questions, email me, jerry@wealthdynamx.com. I will talk to you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy Tuesday.